All right, I think we're good. Hey guys, how's it going? I am now officially in my main setup. This is my main computer setup with two monitors. Got some stuff behind me if you guys are curious. I got a little marble run there that was built out of some little wood slabs. Got a TV. I have nice little painting back there that I got from my mom. And then this over here, if you guys are wondering what these are, those bins on the top are isopods. My wife actually breeds isopods. She actually may even be starting a YouTube channel about animals. So I'll be sure to let you guys know if she does start that YouTube channel because I think it could be really interesting. We do have a lot of animals. On the same topic of animals, that big black case down there is actually a 4x2x2 enclosure for our ball python. We got that not too long ago. I mean, it's been a little bit, but yeah, it's a very cool enclosure, and he's got a lot of space in there. So if my wife ends up starting that YouTube channel, I'll be sure to let you guys know, and you guys will be able to watch all her videos too. So we've got the market up here. It hasn't done a whole lot since it opened up at 6 p.m., which was right here. It moved up a big amount right there. This is, oh, and also the trading dashboard should look a little bit better for you guys. We've got the time up here that you can see. This is all in Eastern time. You guys can now see that I use an Apex account for my trading. And I have hidden the account number just so then for my own protection. Got the equity right here and all of the same setup that you see here. But the real nice thing is you guys can also see the price. So the price and the clock are going to be the real nice things that you guys will be able to see now. So we're going to just wait. I think I'm actually going to change up my trading a little bit. You guys, if you guys saw my last video, if you didn't see my last video, you should check it out because it is a perfect example of me going on tilt. I hope that that does not happen again tonight. I think I've kind of revised my strategy a little bit to where I'm going to wait for the market to move into a point of consolidation, and then I'm going to wait for it to break out of that consolidation either to the upside or the downside, and then I am going to buy or sell based on that strength. Usually if it moves into consolidation, it wants to accelerate one way or another after a certain amount of time in consolidation, which we never know until we just wait. So right now, I think it's a little too early in the night to tell anything. But I am going to just wait and see and watch this market here. This wouldn't be the worst amount of consolidation here. I just don't know if it's going to be a very strong breakout. We've got this box right here that we can draw to see what the market wants to do in that area. So we'll just have to see what happens. We're looking for a 4-point take profit with 4 shares on the E-mini futures. So we will have to see how the market turns out tonight. And hopefully I can make a little bit of profit. We are reset right now at $100,000. So I am trying to make $6,000 in this account just like last time. So hopefully we can make that happen over the next however many days it takes. I think it takes 8 profitable trades in order for that to happen. So I'm hoping that I can get that within 4 to 8 days. If I trade twice a day, then I can hopefully make it in about 4 days, but it might take up to 8 days. So we'll just have to see what happens. So yeah, follow along and hopefully we're able to catch a good trade out of what the market presents for us. All right, let's do it. If this candle closes green, I'll probably take a long opportunity at the end of it. Got my hand ready on the buy button. Hopefully we can get a quick win, but we'll just have to see what the market wants to do. Got 10 seconds left. Yep, it's looking pretty good. So I'm going to buy at the end of this right about here. We are officially in, and we immediately go red. Seems to be the story of my trading journey. So hopefully we can turn this for green and hopefully close higher. At this point, I'll try to stop giving as much commentary and I'll just let the market develop and I'll update you guys when needed. We've gone one tick higher on green multiple times, and it does not seem like it wants to go higher. I'm going to bring our stop loss right here, and if it wants to reverse on us, it'll hopefully protect our investment a little bit. Stopped out three of our positions, three of our units, or shares, I guess. We'll see if it stops out the rest. And that's stopped out for a little bit of a loss, $462.40. So I am going to wait for the next opportunity. I am probably going to be looking at a short at this point to see if we can test these lows and go even further down. And that's just because, I mean, I attempted higher and I did not want to break above this, which I should have been mindful of this consolidation here and entering this around here. I should have been more mindful of that, but unfortunately we did come out with a loss. So for this next trading opportunity that I take, I'm going to have to, or I'm going to want to take 6 points instead of just four, and hopefully that will fill this time. Really sucks to see that I closed out a little too early, and we would have been in the profit. If it stays above this box that I've drawn, which it's only got 10 seconds, I'm probably gonna get another buy opportunity here. All right, I just bought. Hopefully it continues up at this point. I'm gonna push this out 2 points. Oh wow. Yep, we're above break even. I'm going to pull up my stop loss as quickly as possible. At this point, though, I think I'm going to pull it right here for now and wait for it to continue higher for a little bit. Yep, this one might be the red one. You know what? I'm going to pull up to above break even, and if it wants to stop us out, it will. But obviously, I hope it doesn't. But I'm just going to be safe at this point because I'm expecting a pretty big pullback for the amount of green we just had. One more tick and it's over. There it is. Okay, so we're gonna wait patiently and see what the market wants to do. Yeah, we got some green again. And just as strong of a red right after it, so I'm glad I'm out of that position. This will definitely be a point of interest. I'm going to draw a line here. No, not that one. Horizontal line. I'm going to draw a line right here. This is a point of interest to see if it wants to close below the last pullback. If it does end up doing that, I'll start looking for opportunities for a short position. But again, I would really like to see it push out these lows here. This red bar that shows the lows for the session. But I wouldn't mind taking a trade right after it closed below this. So we'll just have to see how strong the market looks. Oh, we broke out. I'm going to let this bar close, see if it stays broken out. If it does, I'm going to take a short position here. And if it doesn't, then we'll just have to wait some more. We're technically one tick below. Oh, we got 2 ticks below. All right, I'm going to enter right in here. And we'll see if that ends up being the bottom. I would completely expect it right now to just continue right higher. But we have gotten a little bit of red on this, which would be very good for us. We'll see if we can keep it red. I just don't know at this point. I'm going to bring my stop loss a little bit. Oh, we pushed him out. Very, very nice. I'm going to keep my stop loss right here for now. It's a very, very tight right now, so hopefully we can... biggest thing, we have pushed out the lows, but we haven't closed lower than this point of consolidation here. And we are pulling back very hard, so if I take a small loss on this, that's fine. Because I just see the market just not really knowing what it wants to do, and if we get stopped out of this trade, I think I'm going to be done for the night. And we closed there. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to bring my stop loss one more tick, just because that's what I do. And now we are completely protected in this trade, as much as I want to be at least. It could very well still stop us out very, very easily. Because we haven't seen any green again in let's see, 4 plus 3, 7 bars. We've seen no green. So if we do end up seeing green, it's probably going to be quite a lot of green. This could stop us out right here too. So yeah, we just have to see. Did we get another? It closed there. Yeah, wow. We got another green rejection. That is absolutely insane that we still haven't seen any green for a very long time at this point. We haven't seen it for 8 bars now, and this could do it. It is so close, and it always seems to get close on my trades. So yeah, we could keep going red, but I just don't really see the strength to the downside in the market right now. So whether this trade closes, stop loss or take profit, I'm just going to be done at this point because I don't see the market wanting to do a lot right now. We closed out 2 of our shares, and we'll see if it closes out the last 2. Yep, right there. Okay, guys, so let's see what happened today with our trading. We took a long position here, and it came all the way down and stopped us out. It wasn't a full loss. We lost about 300, what does this say? $337. I was actually a little bit more than that. I think it was closer to 500 because it's not showing me the amount on this second one. 112 for that second one, so it was about 500. This one we took here as a long position. It did go a little bit higher for a little bit, but it came right back down and stopped us out at break even. We waited for a while and then got this last sell here, and it ended up coming out at break even as well. So I just don't see. I mean, you see how tight this is here. It's 75.84 to 75.92. That's like an 8.5 point move for the entirety of the market. It is now almost 8 p.m. and it just hasn't moved hardly at all. So I'm gonna call it here and just gonna take my loss for the day. Right now, we have $99,687.80. We have lost $312.20. Not even a full loss on one trade. A full loss for me is just over $800, and we have a 2,688 trailing max drawdown. Not the worst place to be right now. So hopefully tomorrow we can get some more trades. Usually I'm going to trade at night, but I may also try tomorrow afternoon. You guys will just have to see if I post a video, and I will let you guys know tomorrow night what the plan is. But yeah, so I'm going to flip it back to this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a great video. I feel a lot better just taking a small loss than losing the amount of accounts I did last night. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll be sure to link it probably right about here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like and comment if you want to leave me any notes or anything you think I could have done better. And yeah, I will see you guys all in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.